Guys, today is Sunday, so I think this is gonna be like last week for us to stay here in Spain kasi parang naayos na lahat doon sa ginagawa sa makina sa aming barko. So I think after Christmas aalis na kami dito. So ayan guys, Sunday gala. So gagala ako for the last time, I think. This is the last time na lalabas ako sa city ng Cadiz, di ba? Ayan guys. So mamaya mamaya ulit. Alright. Hi guys. So ayan, Sunday afternoon. So sasakay pa ako ng train. Papunta pa ako ng Bahia Sur, San Fernando. Ayan. I made this video kasi we're gonna spend a Christmas here in Spain, and I take this moment to say goodbye to Spain. And namamiss ko to kasi in 2 months we were staying here, and I started to love this city anyway. And then ayun, kailangan na namin umalis. So alright guys, paparating na yung train. Ay, hindi ito. This is the other one. Ayan, diba? Isnero. Inis na ba lang tayo guys? So ayan. So I'm headed to Bahia Sur, which is next city dito sa Cadiz, San Fernando. Kasi doon maraming galaan. Ayan. Oh, may isang train dito guys. Tingnan mo. Oh, liit ng train. Dude, look at that. Number 1.
Sa wakas dumating na rin yung train ko. Ayan. Ito po yung sasakyan ko papuntang Bahia Sur guys, sa San Fernando, the next city here in Cadiz. Ayan guys. Sasakyan na tayo dito, but bago ka po sumakay dyan, pipindutin mo po yung nagkukulay green yan para bumukas yung pinto. Ayan. Kailangan mo siyang pindutin. Ayan. Pasok tayo. Tapos upo, kunwari, ayan, back, up, o diba, ayan, kunwari, may ginagawa sa sarili, yan, kunwari lang kasi nahiya mag-video, pero nag-video po talaga ako sa loob, ayan, nag-video po ako sa loob, ayan, o, diba, ang ganda guys, maluwag, diba, maluwag yung train nila, daming upuan, so ayan, kakarating na tayo dito guys sa Bahia Sur. Ayan, bababa na po tayo. Ayan, pipindutin ni ate yung green. Ayan, ayan, di ba bumakas? And welcome to Bahia Sur, San Fernando guys.
Alright, so I'm here in San Fernando, here in Bahia Sur. And guys, so this city has a very nice mall. Everything was in there inside. Then my stadium dyan. And this is the train station here. The mall is right there. And ayun. Parang marami kang mabibili dito kasi pag may pera ka lang, kasi nandito lahat yung mga brands na gusto mo. And it's December. So they're all on sale. So lahat, perfume down to shirts, coats. Guys. So this is it. You can see the Carrefour in there. This is the stadium. It was covered. Oh boy. Guys, so ayan, pauwi na ako. Ayan, galing ako doon sa bar. As you can see, daming bar dito guys. So pauwi na ako. I'm gonna miss this city. Oh my god, like that. And then eto, pauwi na. Ayan na. Ayan na yung barko namin. Ayan guys. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. This has been your Konya King Rich. Until next video guys. Mwah mwah.